Hello, hello. I feel like I'm a little yellow today, so I apologize for that. But you know how we do. We're going to keep it moving. Today, we're going to talk about the r.e.m. That's how you say it, right? Because there's a period in between each line. r.e.m. I believe it's Ariana Grande's line. I think that's what I saw in store. But this is her concealer. And I typically don't do like an unboxing, unveiling thing, but I do want to show you how this comes because it's kind of cute. But so yeah, so let's just open it up. So here's the box. The box kind of looks like very like alien. Very interesting unicorn, like very simple. I don't know how I feel about the packaging, but so then you open it up, and this is a what do you call it? A pot concealer. I'm gonna try to show you because it's kind of cute. So if you look in there, see, so there's like a little spatula that you get with the pot, which is so cute. I typically don't like pot concealers because I just feel like it's hard to apply, but maybe the formula is great. And I don't think like this, as cute as I think this little spoon is, I don't think that this is like practical to use. So like, you're going to lose your spoon and then where's my spoon and then like scoop it out. I understand that it's more hygienic, but I just don't know if it's very realistic to use the spoon every day, but whatever. Let's hope that the formula is fantastic and then I can get my ass over doing a pot concealer and we can move on with our day, right? Let's read about it. Okay, so this is $24. r.e.m. Beauty Sweetner Concealer applies with a smooth, lightweight veil and can be layered to customize coverage with a soft, matte finish. Conceal, correct, highlight, brighten, contour, and carve, touch up, or use all over the face. Every pot is full of multitasking potential. Details. Benefit spatula specifically designed to work with Sweetner Concealer included with every pot. Customizable, buildable, medium to full coverage. 2022 Allure Reader's Choice Best New Brand. So that's the brand in full, not just the concealer. I'm so proud of the concealer our team has developed. It has the perfect balance of hydration and provides your desired coverage. It's lightweight, long-lasting, and gives your skin a boost of hydration as it's infused with our r.e.m. Hydra Smooth Essence, hyaluronic acid, ashwagandha. I've heard that before. Where was that? I was in something else that I just tried out. In the how to use section, it's all talking about how to find your shade. So I think we're going to go ahead and skip that. I was able to swatch this in the store, so I think I got a pretty good match. I got medium 3W. They have a lot of like variants of like, it was like medium 2N, medium 2W, medium 1. Like there were a lot of variants, so that's good to like really dial it in, but I got medium 3W. So yeah, I just really don't understand how you're gonna like do scoop and then like, I think I'm just going to use ring finger. I always wash my hands. I'm kind of a germaphobe, so I always wash my hands before I touch my face or eat like at a restaurant. My friends get so annoyed with me because I'll like immediately go to the bathroom, wash my hands because like the world is disgusting. So I think that I have pretty clean hands as of this moment. So I think we're just going to use our finger. And yeah, let's just go ahead. And it feels really nice. When I was swatching this, it feels super, super nice. Like it feels creamy. It does feel moisturizing. Let me grab a mirror. Okay, we're just gonna pop it right on the face. We're gonna use our concealer technique. So, I mean, this is kind of hard to apply with the way that I like to do my concealer. I feel like if you like to use your fingers, this might be divine. Okay, we're gonna blend. Okay, here is the first layer. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. It's just hard to get a good amount of product out of a pot. But that's nice because then you can just build it and it's not like crazy, like right, to start. I just made a weird face. So anyway, so here's the first layer. I think it looks very nice. It's creamy on the skin. I'm going to build up in the areas that I feel like I need more coverage and that I just want more coverage. So underneath the eyes, we're gonna do a little bit more. We're gonna stamp. Where did that blemish go? We need to get this covered. And then maybe just a little bit on the nose because I have some breakouts there and maybe like a little bit on the cheeks. Okay, let's just try to stamp this in. Okay, I'm gonna just tap a little bit under the eye because I just want a tiny bit more coverage. Here's the final look. I think I've built it up. It's definitely a buildable formula. It's building on itself nicely. And I like that it's not like super heavy going in. It looks really nice on the skin. The pot is a little bit hard to work with the way that I like to apply my concealer, but if you like to apply with your finger, I think this would be fantastic. Like tap it out, like tap it on any blemishes. I think that would be fantastic. I do like the formula. It's very creamy. I honestly feel like you wouldn't need to set this. I kind of want to, maybe we're going to set half the face. Maybe let's do that. Let me go grab some powder. We're going to set half the face and see how setting the face does versus not setting the face. So I'm just using my Almay powder that I just reviewed. Really good stuff. I don't know if that review will be up by the time this gets uploaded, but it's really good stuff. Like, I'm finding that all powders are just kind of like the same. So for $11, you get a huge jar of this. So that's why I'm going to use it. And I like the color. Yeah. So, okay, we're going to powder half the face. Okay, that looks really nice. I feel like I want to powder the whole face. Yeah, I think we're going to powder the whole face because I like it. I like it. Okay, here's the finished look. I think it looks really good. Like, really, really, really good. I would say that it's not full coverage. Maybe I could have built it up a little bit more, but like you saw me, I did a few layers to get this kind of coverage under my eyes. So it's not full coverage, which is fine. I like a more natural look. We're gonna jump into our day and we're gonna see how this wears. I have a lot of running around to do. So yeah, hold tight and I'll let you know what's up. I just ran down the stairs, so of course, I'm breathless. Okay, so it's been several hours. I think it's been 6 or 7 hours since I've had this on. I have used a blotting sheet, so, but it's holding up. Let me grab a mirror. Hold on. I would say that it looks really nice on the skin. It's not for me. I think that this is maybe for somebody that has drier skin, I think would like this quite a bit. With my oily skin, like it's a really creamy, nice formula, and it is hydrating. But because of that fact, because of my combo oily skin, like I don't think this is the right product for me, and I don't like the jar. So I think really if you are the type of person that wants to like dab concealer with your finger, you have drier skin, and you're just quick, dab, maybe like a little foundation on top, whatever, quick, easy going, then this might be a great product for you. So that's going to be my recommendation, but unfortunately not for me. So anyway, that's my review. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will link down below a playlist to all my other reviews. Hit that subscribe button because I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And yeah, thank you so much again for joining me, and I will check you on the next one.